Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. Yes, we are still on it. We are still on the Mseleku's wife. We are seeing here lana ukubana kanene the first wife and the fifth wife, which is uMacele is the first wife and uMakhwela is the fifth wife. They actually do get along. I do feel like uMacele and uMakhwela, they get along very well. I think it's the way that she was introduced, that Musamseleko went to uMacele first. I guess she did felt like she respected her by coming straight to her. Ukuthi amxelele ukubana there will be number 5 coming. And I also remember the conversation that uMacele had with uMakhwela, saying that at the same time I may welcome you to be here because I have welcomed everyone else with warm hands, as you are also welcome. But at the same time, remember that I am not your friend, neither am I your mother-in-law. So I guess that truth that they all had to hear from both sides, from uMakhwela, from uMayeni, saying to uMakhwela, I guess she respected her also. Bana, I understand where you are standing and I am grateful that you are telling me how you feel about everything, because we've seen uMacele babysitting while she's allowing uMakhwela to go out and have a break from the baby, as she had just had the baby. So we saw her, she was even posting saying, Bana, I'm so grateful to uMamkhulu taking care of Usana while still I get to rest a bit, because it is not a child's play being a mom and being a new mom and a first time mom. Like, it can be hectic. So if you do get people that assist you, accept that assistance, take a breather, go for a coffee, go for a massage, something just for you to take your mind off the baby. Also, it helps you. So if you are a new mom, or you are a new mother, or you are a mom to be, when people offer assistance, don't deny it. I know sometimes you want to be clinging to the baby. Just, we are seeing as they are busy preparing for season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu, we are seeing a lot of uMakhwela being comfortably and happy around each other. Like you can see, uMakhwela, she is much more comfortable with uMacele around. So let me know what you guys think of a relationship with uMakhwela and uMacele. They do love each other. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.